Hi everyone! Happy Saturday sa inyo, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Welcome sa La Luna Tarot. So, good evening, happy weekend, happy Saturday. So, napanood nyo ba yung ating upload nung nakaraan about your ex? So, I hope natuwa kayo dun sa may upload natin. So, for today, um, gawa tayo ng collective general reading. So, this is not a pick a card reading, okay? Pero, titingnan natin um, kung sino yung nag spy sa inyo. Okay, who is spying on you? So, take what's resonate again. So, sa mga bago pa lang kay Luna, kamusta kayo guys? Hello and welcome sa ating channel. And para dun sa ating mga nakasubscribe na kay Luna, kamusta rin kayo? Happy weekend sa inyo. So, I hope nag-e-enjoy kayo sa mga ina-upload nating video. Okay? You may request a current topic or e-topic sa comment section of this video guys para makita natin, para yun ang gawin natin. Sa mga nagre-request ng personal reading, I will put an email address kung saan po kayo magre-request ng personal reading. So this is a limited slot only reading, okay? So 10 tao lang po yung po pwede kong i-accommodate and each person will have a 30-minute, okay? 30 minute to 1 hour para ma-receive nila yung messages na gusto nilang ma-receive and kung ano man yung mga do's and don'ts is ilalagay din po doon. Okay? So, let's start our general reading, guys. As of now, sobrang daming messages akong nare-receive right now or download na tinatawag and hindi ko malaman kung ano ba yung gagawin nating reading for you, para sa aking mga viewers. Pero let's let's make a general reading at titingnan natin kung ano yung energy na makukuha natin who is spying on you. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng ating tarot card. Again guys, take what's resonate, leave the rest. Huwag ipilit kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading na gagawin natin, okay? So, po pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo yung um, zodiac sign, pero yung masculine or baliktad, take what's resonate guys, ha? Huwag ipilit. Kasi meron ako mga nababasa na hindi naman resonated sa akin or yung reading, yung zodiac sign is um, hindi tugma. So, wag ipilit guys, ha? Kasi mamaya, meron kayong placement. Water placement, air placement sa natal chart ninyo. Okay. Let's see. Collective general reading for my viewers. Hindi ako nag-read ng reversal, pero kapag I call to do so is babasahin ko, okay? Yung ba sa inyo maraming iniisip? Let's see. It can be this is career, love. Okay? So, titingnan natin. General. Reading for my viewers. Oops. Let's start. Let's start. Strength card. Hmm. For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, earth sign, nakafocus sa finances, doing your own thing, focus sa success or sa pamilya. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakita na nagpapakatatag para sa pamilya dahil maraming responsibility. Yung iba sa inyo is a breadwinner. Yung iba sa inyo is kayo yung number one na inaasahan sa household. Wheel of Fortune. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron akong nararamdaman na searching doon sa kanilang right path kung saan nila i-invest yung time, money nila. Okay. Nine of Pentacles is a energy where you're abundant in finances, you're doing your own things, you are living the life of luxury. Okay. You are gaining all the profits of and success na tinanim mo. Okay, you are harvesting um, kung ano man yung pinaghirapan mo from the recent past or kung ano man yung pinagtrabahuhan mo, pinaglaanan mo ng oras. Strength card. Meron ako nakita dito for some of you is merong pinag-iipunan, merong pinaghahandaan, you're it feels like you are taming yourself. You are dinidisiplina mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Because you have a goal na pinaghahandaan. O pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is may balak bumili ng bahay or magpunta abroad. There is a sudden change here with the Wheel of Fortune. Meron ako nakuha dito na uh, if you are in a place or in an energy na you are discipline yourself because meron kang goal sa sarili mo na gustong makuha. Meron akong nakikita dito na kung ano yung alam mo yung kasabihan na kung ano yung nirip mo, yun yung kung ano yung itiyanin mo, yun yung aanihin mo. Okay? Mm, Three of Swords. Two of Cups. Ah, okay. Oh, the Sun. Okay. For some of you, uh, though you are struggling right now or meron kang pinagdaanan before or you are currently on a position where you're experiencing grief, depressed right now, you are still gathering your strength, nagpapakalakas ka, nagpapakatapang ka, nagfo-focus ka. Okay? Kasi, um, po pwedeng meron akong nakita dito na you're focused on your finances, o pwedeng nagfo-focus ka sa trabaho mo, sa job, sa sabihin natin finances mo pag ano mo pa you're busy building um, your finances. Kasi siguro for some of you, kasi meron ako nakuha dito na whether you are nanggaling ka sa heartbreak, you are building yourself, especially your finances. Kasi nga, you want to settle down with a soulmate or you want to marry someone if you are already in a relationship. Pero ako nakikita dito na um, kahit na nasaktan ka before with the Three of Swords, is nagpakalakas ka, nagpakatibay ka pa rin, you discipline yourself, you tame yourself especially ha, you tame yourself, um, still meron ka pa rin compassion sa others kahit na may nanakit sa'yo or nasaktan ka from the past, niloko ka, pwedeng ganyan. And um, you choose to focus on your finances, to build your career, to build your job, to build a home because gusto mo kapag nakita mo na yung soulmate mo or yung special someone mo is ano ka na, stable ka na. And dahil doon sa ginawa mo na you focused on yourself, you choose to love yourself, pwedeng sabihin natin meron ditong self-love, enjoying the energy of solitude, uh, loving yourself, heal yourself, meron akong nakita, Wheel of Fortune is ito kasi yung sabi ko nga, kung ano yung itiyanin mo, yun yung aanihin mo. Since yun ang ginawa mo, in the end, there is a good energy dito wherein you will find your right person, you will have a success in life, okay, and you will have a celebration soon, whether kapag nakuha mo, nakita mo, nakilala mo yung special person is po pwedeng magkaanak kayo or ikasal ka doon sa person na talagang gusto mo at mahal ka din. Okay? So, yun yung nakukuha ko. You choose to ano eh, you choose to discipline yourself. Meron ako nakita dito eh. Merong someone dito na galing sa heartbreak o pwedeng niloko. Niloko ka, okay? Sinaktan ka, pero hindi yun nakapigil sa'yo, okay? Bagkos, dinisiplina mo yung sarili mo, you focus yourself, okay? Nag-focus ka sa trabaho mo, okay? Nagkaroon ka ng compassion pa rin sa mga taong mahal mo, sa pamilya mo, okay? 9 of Pentacles, Earth sign. You can be an Earth sign. 9 of Wands in reverse. Oo. And if you are still struggling on a heartbreak, niloko ka, and this is about a relationship, and feeling mo, alam mo yun, hirap na hirap ka na with the 9 of Wands in reverse, you are retreating or suko ka na, huwag ka maglala kasi kung hindi ka pa nag-focus sa sarili mo, meron ako nakuha dito na you need to discipline yourself, tame yourself, you healed yourself, okay? Recover if you are still not totally healed, okay? And focused on finances muna. Kasi meron ako nakita dito na mag-focus muna sa finances. And wag munang mag-focus sa love. Okay? Wag ka munang magano, wag mong dibdibin, wag kang, kasi ano eh, meron akong nakuha sa inyo na energy na yung iba sa inyo na hindi pa done sa process is yun yung kailangan mong gawin. Kasi ito na yun eh. Ito na, lumabas na yung card na if you are still recovering from a heartbreak. Okay? Oh, King of Wands. Pero hindi ba siya umano. Yung iba sa inyo nakuha ko, you can be a masculine. Oh, okay. I will get one card pa. Ace of Pentacles. O, di ba? Wheel of Fortune, the Sun, and Ace of Pentacles. Guys. 8 of Wands. 3 of Wands. Okay. Hierophant. Okay. If you are dealing with a King of Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or if you are still in a connection, a very toxic connection, okay, whether you are dealing with a nasty person, an abusive person ha, if you are still dealing with that kind of a person, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is you need to have a decision where you need to love yourself, you need to discipline yourself, you need to have a brave, alam mo yon, you need to pwedeng give up and choose yourself. Okay? There is no Alam mo yun, there is no choice eh. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na if you're dealing with an impulsive person, this is not a good person, okay? If this is a king of wands, kasi this is a king of wands in reverse, so tumalon siya in reversal. So this is a very abusive kind of a person, okay? Um, you need to focus on yourself. Kasi, kung i-delay mo to, there is a good chance na ma-delay din kung ano yung good news na dapat mangyari pa sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, tandaan nyo guys this is a wheel of fortune. So, kung ano yung, sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung i-delay mo, yung pag-heal mo, yung situation na hindi na nag-resonate sa'yo, you are delaying your happiness. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na if you are waiting to have a choice whether you are stay dito sa person na to na abusive or you will have a brave action na hiwalayan tong person na to. Oo, this person will po pwedeng inilagay ka sa third party nito or binibigyan ka ng trauma nitong person na to. This is in a relationship. Meron akong nakuha na this is hardly a relationship. This is about relationship because two of cups is here. Malakas sa akin dito na nakukuha ko na yung iba sa inyo is in a abusive relationship na alam mo yon yung hindi ka pa nakakapag-desisyon eh. O pwedeng yung iba sa inyo hindi pa nakakapag-desisyon na makapaghiwalay dito sa person na to. Yes. Ah, meron akong nakuha, this is a Leo. Okay, for some of you, this is a Leo and you are a Earth sign. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. This person puts you on a third party, give you trauma. This person is very nasty kind of a person. Meron akong naririnig na mayabang, may hindi sa mayabang tong person na to, mataas ang tingin niya sa sarili niya. Feeling niya, alam mo yung gwapong-gwapo siya sa sarili niya. Okay. Girls, if you are feminine girls, if you are the earth sign here, you are nine of pentacles, okay? If you are abundant and successful in finances and naghahanap ka rin lang ng person na lang na makakarelasyon mo, wag tong person na to guys. Kasi this is a king of wands in reverse. And ah, if you will meet or may imi-meet pa lang or you are dealing with pa lang dito sa person na to, nanliligaw sa'yo at nag-o-offer ng cup niya or boyfriend mo pa lang tong person na to, I will strongly advise, you have a free will guys I strongly advise na let go, love yourself kasi you are nine of pentacles, you are very abundant, you don't need this person. If you choose to let go of this person, there is a big chances na soon you will have a stability coming. Okay, with the wheel of fortune here is of pentacles, there is a new start here. Okay, so meron ako nakita you can have a celebration soon. And nandito yung Eight of Wands. So this Eight of Wands is an energy na sinasabi na this is a rapid change, okay? Ibig sabihin, mabilisan. Mabilisan 'to na ano, mabilisan na change. So, ibig sabihin, this is a card na sinasabing, "Take action now." Okay, so 'wag mo nang ipagpaliban, wag mo nang ipagpabukas. If you need to heal, heal yourself now. Okay, Three of Wands is here. So, ibig sabihin, there is a opportunity coming sa'yo. Whether trabaho ito or a business opportunity. Doon ko meron akong na rinig na don't compromise. Don't compromise yourself. Oh, the Emperor. Huh? Let's see. What's with the Emperor? Sobrang dami. Mhm. Hoy! Seven of Cups. Opportunity. There is a decision here that needs um, an action. Whether po pwedeng meron kang ma-meet na emperor, okay, this is a business partner or can be a boss. Pero meron akong nakikita dito na you soon you will meet a another person. Okay. Meron ditong opportunities na darating sa'yo. And po pwedeng, alam mo yun, di ba? You will have an adventure. Okay? Soon. Kasi kung takot kang bitawan tong person na to ha, and hindi mo ma-let go, I'm telling you that soon there is a new start sa'yo. This is an Ace of Pentacles. Stable tong person na to or mangyayari sa'yo sa susunod or in the future. Can be in business or money. Okay. Basta ito ay opportunity. Okay. Na magbibigay sa'yo ng joy and success. Can be a celebration. O pwedeng this is a person na mamimit mo, an Emperor Aries, fire sign again. This person na mamimit mo soon is a father figure or alam mo yon yung authority or merong mataas na posisyon whether in company or in a community. This person has a structure, very stable. Okay? You have a lot of choice. O, Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, if you are experiencing heartbreak or hindi ko ayaw mo pang mag-move on. Sorry guys, nahihirapan ako magsalita. I don't know kasi sobrang dami ng gusto kong sabihin. Kung nahihirapan ka pang mag-move on dito sa person na to, I suggest na you need to heal yourself. Um, this scenario can be a broken marriage. Okay. Meron ako nakita dito na na a broken home can be. Pero meron akong nakikita rin na in the future, if you choose to let go, okay, this past trauma, past person na very nasty and very abusive and controlling, soon you will meet your special someone na very stable, okay, na magiging masaya ka, magiging stable ka, lalo financially, and a happy family, marriage, okay? So, if this is a relationship, ay nako, let it go kasi there is no marriage here. Kung hindi mo pa to asawa, there is no marriage involved, walang patutunguhan. Kasi, ano ka eh, burnout ka na, depressed ka na. Dito sa person to, siguro ang dami binibigay na problema nito sa'yo. So, pwedeng happy-go-lucky tong person na to. Ha? Let's see. Queen of Wands. Tingnan natin. Okay. Tingnan natin yung outcome. If you choose to let go. Let's see. Ano ba yung outcome? Outcome ng ating viewers na nag-resonate sa reading natin. Pupwedeng yung reading kanina, yun yung nangyari from the past. Okay? Or nung iba sa inyo is pinagdadaanan pa lang. Dealing with a very abusive person. Okay, so tingnan natin. Outcome. Doon sa mga Seven of Cups again. Whether you choose to focus on yourself or i-entertain yung makikilala mong panibagong person ulit na magle-lead sa marriage, there is a success and happiness na paparating sa'yo dahil dun sa pinagdaanan mo na heartbreak from the past. Oh, Page of Pentacles again, guys! Good news in finances. Oh. Kapag kami mga opportunity na dumating sa inyo, take advantage of that opportunity whether in job, in business, okay? So, kung before is nasayang yung finances mo sa maling tao, this time, there is a big opportunity that is coming your way. Huh? Magician. Yes. Or someone wants to invest sa'yo. Nine of Swords. Oh, still on anxiety. Uh, kung meron kayong trauma na nangyari from the past, especially if someone cheated on you, betrayed you, abuse you, meron akong nakikita dito na you need to heal, okay, those issues or trauma kasi uh, alam mo yun, magbibigay sa iyo yun ng sakit ng karamdaman, kakaisip. Baka kasi burden ka pa rin doon sa na-experience mo from the past. Oh, lost. You are still focused on the loss with the Five of Cups here. You are still focused sa grief or sa, alam mo yun, sa nangyari sa'yo, sa ginawa sa'yo, sa heartbreak. You need to welcome change. You need to have courage or with the strength card kanina, you need to have courage to move on from a heartbreak. You need to heal. Kasi meron ako nakita dito na um, you are not stable emotionally pa. Oh, kanina, yung Wheel of Fortune is naka-upright, then tumalsik siya ng naka-reverse. So, there is a delay here pa. May delay pang mangyayari kasi if you're still healing or don't want to heal yourself, there is a big delay pa na mangyayari. Kasi parang, I don't know kung nabibilisan ka ba sa nangyayari. Kasi this is mabilisan, ano ko ba sabihin, fast-paced change. Okay? Iba to sa kinagawian mo, kinagisnan mo. Kung resonated sa'yo to. Iba. Iba to sa kinagawian mo before. Kasi, meron akong narinig na codependent. If you're codependent or sabihin to, oh, Nine of Wands upright. Okay. Oh, my gosh! Eight of Wands again! Speed! Hindi ko na maano. Lumabas din to kanina, guys. This is the same card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same card. Ang naiba lang is Nine of Swords. Meron akong nakita yung iba na overwhelm. Na overwhelm. Sudden action. Mm-hmm. Ay, the Chariot. Oh my gosh. I don't want this energy. Ah! Six of Cups. Oh my gosh. Page of Cups. For some of you guys, there is someone from the past. If you're already moved on, you heal yourself, you are in abundant right now, good yung finances mo, and you are meeting your soulmate or your soon to be husband, someone is rushing in towards you. Yes, someone rushing in towards you don't want to have a wheel of fortune in upright. Yes, this person is from the past. Maybe this person is having an anxiety because you are moving on. Para dun sa mga person ko na naka-move on na ha. Kasi this person wants to offer his cup of love or want to start over again with you. The King of Wands in reverse kanina. Oh? Conflict. Oh? Conflict. Guys. Oh, Page of Swords, spying. You need to stand your ground. Queen of Wands, very beautiful, very, elegant, energetic, courageous, sexy, very hot. Oh my gosh! Queen of Wands and Eight of Cups. Because you are moving on. And this person feel na inabandonan mo siya. Hindi niya matanggap. Oh my gosh. Oh, Seven of Cups again. This person know na marami kang option. Nostalgic. This person is nostalgic. Confirmation. Ay nako ha. The Star. Hoping and praying. Renewal. This person wants to renew. your connection. For some of you na dealing with a new person right now, person in your past still don't want you to move on with someone else. This person want na ano, na alam mo yon sa kanya pa rin ikaw. This person wants na mabalik yung dati. Information again. Pero meron ka na new person, ha? May new person na dumating or darating. Stable tong person na to. Emperor. Kasi queen ka eh. Let's see. Open yourself to love. It is safe for you to let your heart be seen. Don't be scared. Soon you will meet someone na stable. And your angel wants you to open yourself to love. This person is safe. Okay? So, it is okay to open your heart dito sa person na to na bago na darating sa'yo. Huwag kang matakot kasi this person is a good person. Leave your fears behind. They are stopping this relationship from blossoming. If you are already dealing with this person, the emperor, okay, leave your fears behind because ito yung nag-i-stop sa'yo para mag-blossom or mamulaklak pa yung connection nyo ng person mo na bago. Uh-huh. Past lives. You have known this person before. It is a soulmate from a past time. Okay. Uy, ang dami naman. Oh, deception. Someone is wearing a mask in this relationship. Let's see. Reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. Law of attraction. You have been manifesting this relationship. Everything you want will soon be yours. So, believe that everything you want will be yours soon. Okay, if you manifest. Kasi ano, pwedeng minanifest mo tong person na to, itong darating, na magkakaroon ka ng happy family with this person. Ah, you manifest this person, pati na lumabas yung magician. Okay, so you can be a good manifestor. A magician can be a Gemini. Take your power back. You're giving someone control over how you feel. Your happiness should only depend on you. And nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. So, ibig sabihin, this person with the wheel of fortune kanina is fated to, ano, to be with you, to be your husband, kasi this is a past life connection. Itong bagong person na makakadil mo. So, let go the past person kasi meron ako nakikita na if you still not healing from the past is dinidelay mo lang yung good thing na dapat na mangyayari sa'yo. 'Di ba? Be present. You will attract love by enjoying your life as it is. Wherever you are, be all there. Okay? So, let go of the past, okay? Kasi the past person, kasi you are a good manifestor, okay? If you continue to think of the past person, hindi mo na mamalayan na minamanifest mo siya. Okay? So, gusto mo bang ilagay ulit sa third party? Gusto mo bang, alam mo yon, gusto mo bang hindi ma-meet yung talagang special someone mo? Gusto mo bang magka-delay-delay yung dapat na mangyayari sa'yo? I don't think so. Kasi stable yung bago mong makikilala versus doon sa dating person na nakadil mo na very abusive, very mayabang, mataas ang tingin sa sarili niya. Well, I don't think so na mas gugustuhin mo na makipag-deal dun sa may ganong klaseng tao. In reverse, biruin mo, in reverse siya. 'Di ba? Okay, so let's get a angel number sa'yo. Sa ating mga ka-resonate nung reading natin kanina. So guys, general reading yon. So take what's resonate. I-leave ang hindi resonated. So okay lang yon. Let's pull in angel number sa mga naka-resonate ng reading natin kanina. I-comment nyo guys kung gusto nyo na general reading or pick a card. Para yun yung gagawin nating video sa next upload natin. Okay, let's put angel number sa'yo para sa ating viewers. Angel number. Angel number from this deck para sa ating viewers. Okay. 16. I am perceptive. You have an inquisitive mind that allows you to uncover important truths. You have a special ability to read into other people's feelings. A wisdom seeker, and your angel asks to share your knowledge for the benefit of others. So you can be an empath. You can read the emotions of the people in front of you. So alam mo kung niloloko ka lang or nagsisinungaling sa'yo yung person. You are very malakas yung pakiramdam mo. Very, it can be a sensitive person. It can be a sensitive person. A very perceptive kind of a person. 888. As you focus on all the wonderful things that surround you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. Diba? I am abundant. So, this is a card telling you to clean, heal, um, throw all the old energy na meron ka, whether this is a clothes, pictures from the past, okay? Because you need to have a space for the new person, new blessings na paparating pa sa'yo. Okay, so You need to clear your path and be positive. Don't allow negativity in your way kasi hindi mo namamalayan na ma-manifest mo kasi yun in reality. Since you are a good manifestor, okay? So, if you feel also dito sa ating I am perceptive card, if you feel that this person is no good, believe on your intuition, believe doon sa nararamdaman mo towards doon sa person kasi most of the time, that is 101% sure na totoo. Okay? So, let's get last card for your angel number. 30. Number 30 can be significant. I am imaginative. You are an original, innovative thinker and an excellent communicator. You have a great talent for using creativity to convey your ideas, and your optimistic attitude has an uplifting effect on others. So you can be a speaker. So meron akong nakuha ditong speaker, and lagi nyo tatandaan, if you are having difficulty to accept kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo or trauma na nangyari sa'yo from the past, lagi mong tatandaan na it is meant to happen to you kasi you are fated to teach other kung ano yung naranasan mo doon sa nakaraan mo para matulungan mo yung ibang tao nag struggle sa same scenario or same situation na meron ka. Okay? You can be a speaker or a motivator, okay, that will teach others how to overcome yung trauma or yung abusive relationship na pinagdadaanan nila. You can be a, alam mo yon yung counselor. Huh? You can counsel person since you have a high empathic presence na nararamdaman mo yung emotions din nung person na kausap mo. So, pwedeng you are a psychologist, okay, a doctor, yeah. You have a profession na kumakausap ng tao, okay. So, your mind is very powerful also. Kasi nga nakita ko kanina yung magician. Kaya, alam mo yun, di ba? You have a way with words also. You're a good communicator. So, uh, be a positive speaker para dun sa mga taong hindi kayang magsalita para sa iba or i-depend yung sarili nila. Kasi meron ako nakikitang ganun eh. You have, um, you need to uplift yung mga person na nawawala or naliligaw ng landas. Kasi po pwedeng yun yung purpose mo in life. Kaya ka dumaan sa ganun na pagsubok sa past mo. Okay, so sana nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. And kung hindi man, it's okay. Because this is a general reading. So, po pwedeng hindi mag-resonate kasi sa inyo yung situation na nakita natin kanina. Or po pwedeng napaglampasan mo na yon. So, congratulations para doon sa mga nasa new phase na ng life ninyo. And lagi niyong tatandaan, there is a big possibility na if you are already move on, heal yourself from the past trauma na napagdaanan mo, marami talagang step back pa na mangyayari kasi po pwedeng, syempre, yung mga naiwan from the past is hindi papayag na, alam mo, yung already move on ka na, you need to clean yourself, cleanse, okay, para um, wala nang bakas na maiiwan. Clean, meron ako narinig, kanina ko pa naririnig na maglinis ng bahay, itapon yung mga lumang gamit, yung mga memories na meron ka, lalo na especially sa gamit, kung meron pang naiiwang gamit dyan, yung ex mo, or person mo from the past, you need to let go nung gamit na yon. in order for you totally cleanse yung space mo. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. I really appreciate. Kung meron kayong comment na specific topic, i-type nyo na. And I will wait sa inyong mga comment. Binabasa ko po yun guys. Binabasa ko yung mga comment ninyo. So kung meron kayong katanungan na gustong i-topic, very welcome ako doon guys. And gagawin natin yan sa susunod na upload. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. I-help nyo ako 200 plus more pa na subscriber to earn our first 4K subscribers. Okay? So abangan nyo rin yung email na aking isi-send para kung gusto nyo magpa-personal reading is po pwede doon mag-send ng request. Okay? So, be careful lang ha kasi alam nyo naman, maraming mga scammer dyan na po pwedeng kapag ka nag-inquire kayo is replyan kayo. Antayin nyo po na ako ang maglabas kung saan po pwedeng mag-send ng request for personal reading. So maraming salamat. This is Laluna Tarot. Happy weekend sa inyo. Magandang gabi and God bless. Bye!